台湾戏剧零级攻击，测试伫咧华府举行美国首映会，被强进前的国安顾问欧布莱恩也来到现场。欧布莱恩表示讲，中国可能伫咧2027年准备好势挺好侵略台湾。欧布莱恩也讲，即中国伫咧台海附近定定军演，这不只是戏剧，也是长咧进行。来看这公司国际记者彭祖哲伫现场的报道。
迎接定力攻击测试伫美国首映，以戏剧模仿台海开战的时阵，首映会上，伫川普第一任期出任国安顾问的欧布莱恩讲，中国领导人习近平讲，伫2027年准备好要攻打台湾。因为中国对台湾的侵略，唔那只是戏剧情节故事。
President Trump being in office and telling Xi Jinping if you go after Taiwan, it's going to be war, which he said. You know, hopefully that's enough to deter what we're about to see in the show. But if it's not, I'm convinced that the good guys will win in the end. Spoiler alert! I think the good guys will win in the end. So.
欧布莱恩讲，美方对中国伫台海周边的军事行动感觉烦恼。因来首映进前，中国由罗西亚加北韩等国领袖举行9·3阅兵，欧布莱恩也表达不满。
Of course, it's kind of ironic that it was Chiang Kai-shek and the government in Taiwan that fought and defeated the Japanese that the CCP is taking credit for over the weekend. It was Taiwan that should be celebrating the defeat of Japan, not the CCP. But
上来发言的驻美国代表朱大雷回应欧布莱恩的讲法，强调二战期间是中华民国甲美国陆军斗阵作战，更加考试中国是以反法西斯为名阅兵，行为却是亲像法西斯国家。讲到普什地带作战，朱大雷用中苏黑轮涉嫌拖长咱国海底电线来鼓励说明。
The aggression against Taiwan is actually already ongoing. You know, by all this aggressions, you know, the cable undersea cables being cut.
不过，驻美代表移动一度传闻出来，外团朱大雷的转任驻西班牙大使，即摆伊家己军生笑，用西班牙语来拍招呼。
Hola, ¿cómo están? Oh, sorry, I got confused. That's for my next job. Sorry.
这是零日攻击头一摆伫美国放炸。 现场100多位来看的观众嘛讲，这出戏嘛展现台湾人民对有可能发生的战争已经做好准备。
That right now defense spending is at record high levels in Taiwan, so I think if they're not prepared, they're definitely doing everything they can.
Of course, this show showed us that there are going to be a lot of hardships and difficulties, but I think the majority of Taiwanese people are willing to defend their country.
来到现场也对乌克兰来观众，得到当前台海局势，23岁以乌克兰的身份，互咱这建议。
Over preparing rather than under preparing, and I think in such critical situations as a potential war outbreak, you definitely want to be both psychologically prepared as well as militarily.
公司国际记者彭祖哲美国华府报道。